SF90. Dang.
Wow!
You like that color?
That's a nice color.
You gotta stop the traffic for him. I don't think it'll scrape. I've never seen one in yellow.
No.
Have you?
Yeah.
You've seen a yellow one?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, in the picture.
Oh. What are you doing to it?
Washing it.
Oh.
No. A lot
Wheels?
of stuff.
Nice
They
car.
didn't do the carbon there or on the engine.
How does it fit in this car?
Fuck you. That's a fat joke. You heard that.
The seat is fucking comfortable.
You see the other one, the seats like a...
What, the Senna seats?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's way crazy. Wow, that's so cool.
I mean, why do they give you oil? You're supposed to add oil to your Ferrari nowadays?
I don't know.
Rare
Are
SF90 oil.
No.
I hope not.
You're definitely
I don't know how to fucking add oil. I come here for everything.
It's not the one that
These seats are sick. This is actually comfortable. Like driving here.
It's for the bigger people.
Dude, fucking go sit in the driver's seat. It's fucking really comfortable.
Because the other one's not comfortable. Like,
Nah.
it hurts my sides.
You could drive that to Vegas. Easy.
Look how thick it is.
Came to the dealer, they didn't do any of the. They didn't even open your hood. Like all the things there, they're supposed to be protected, like film on the edges of like the doors and stuff. That's still in the car. They haven't even opened it. Which you don't need. You're gonna clear by, but they're supposed to do like all.
Well, they didn't do
They're
shit.
supposed to open all these Ziploc bags and all this. And, you know,
They want it back tomorrow to detail it.
it needs to be. Yeah.
What the fuck is this?
They didn't even take it off. I'm telling you.
Are they supposed to take that one?
Of course they take it off.
It's his birthday.
Thank you for my present.
You're welcome.
It's your birthday?
Yeah.
What's today?
Hey, what are you gonna get him? Give him
I'll get him
100 bucks.
something.
Give him 100 bucks.
You gave him that for...
Yeah.
No, you
give him
didn't.
100 bucks. You just give him 100 bucks, 50 bucks. Just
So you-
give him something.
So you turned 40 today?
Yeah. 40.
Yeah, you look young.
Yeah.
Good. Everybody said Sarkis looks way older than he is.
No,
I thought you looked young.
I do.
I do.
No, that's the thing. On the camera, a lot
Yeah,
of
it's
people they
bad.
say on the camera
Yeah.
because this guy's fucking this close. Okay, so Vic's taste sucks. So he got the wheels. He didn't like it. Now he got my favorite wheels.
Oh, he switched them.
Yes, because the wheels he ordered, he put on the car. He didn't like it. I told him from the first day, get these ones.
We're going into the Spootbird.
Let's put the body color, white pearl. We're gonna paint the grill, the wheels, emblems, exhaust tips, and the floating caps. So I think this one's gonna look nice. With the white pearl on it, it's gonna look crazy.
It's gonna be hard to paint this.
Yeah, it's hard to find. The SV grill, the Range Rover.
The protection is first.
It's like Buzz
The-
Lightyear.
Yeah, the protection is first.
The ones he was gonna put on.
This is he did, and he
Oh.
didn't like it.
Yes, yes.
He got this for his car. He put it on and he didn't like it. So now we're going with my taste.
We should ask you right away.
Alright guys, so last minute change up for the Range Rover Widebody project. The car is wrapped satin pearl white. You guys saw a little bit of that on the previous YouTube. And now we have painted the wheels satin pearl white to match the wrap actually. So really crazy. These are our RDB 0 wheels. These are 26s. So they're massive. I mean, look at the design detail on the edges. And then you have these steps going down, which is really cool. You're gonna have the floating cap here, so this will get completely covered, which are also painted right here. And as you can see, this is also painted. I don't wanna mess with it too much, but this is gonna go right over here, like this. I'm not gonna do it because it's kind of fresh. And then I'll get the Range Rover in the middle. Super excited about that. We also have this right here. This is the SV grille. So the Range Rover SV has very subtle changes than the regular ones. It has this front grille that has these single lines going on with this design. The other ones have like more of a double design. So this is a more luxury design, I would call it. I got it from the UK. Very hard to get this. I ordered this like 2 months ago. And we brought it in real fast. It came in the mail in the morning today. And we painted it satin pearl white today. So super excited to throw this on there. This is the SV front logo, so it's black and chrome. I don't know if I'm gonna like that on the car exactly, we'll see. If anything, we'll make a custom sticker there. But This is the details that are going into the Range Rover Widebody project. The 26s are gonna look crazy colored in the wrap color. I'm loving this color a lot. What's really cool kind of to see is also this like yellow tape and this khaki green masking paper all goes so good with this colorway. So maybe later on I incorporate a little bit of khaki green onto the car or something. I don't know, I'm getting some ideas in my head. But just looking at the masking paper, the yellow tape and the satin pearl white, really cool combination of colors. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. The first Range Rover Widebody in the US, we want it to look really sick, so that's what we're doing.
And we don't have candles? You didn't bought it last time?
No.
You got it?
Yeah.
I'm sick. You always say I'm sick. I'm sick.
Sarkis didn't pay for the cake. He said he has no money, doesn't want to pay. And then he made them go get the cake.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He didn't
because
go
they
get
told
the
me.
cake. He
Okay,
didn't
hold
go
on.
get the cake.
They told me
So I'm
that you
just
cannot
letting
leave
you
the
guys know.
office.
I ask you, if you have money, I give you the money for free check.
Did we
So-
sing yet?
No.
No.
Okay, stop talking, nobody cares about you.
Also, they didn't want to see the shoe.
You see, when you're a liar, you have to defend yourself like
There's nothing to-
extra defense.
20 minutes. Did I told you? Hold on. 20 minutes. Did I told you guys you have to let's just buy a cake
I love Sarkis.
because he knows the truth. Happy birthday, Felix. Happy
You know the song?
Happy birthday to you. We got wrong part again?
We have a problem with the drive shaft. You f***ed up and you sent me the wrong part. Hold on 1 second. Let me give it to Javier. Hello, Tony. I'm gonna take it out later. Why? Tell me. Tell me. Oh, shoot. Hi, Papa.
Okay, put the rear on or something. Do something so I can YouTube it, man. All the fans are
I need to
disappointed
take it
that
out.
you
I
didn't
need to
finish
take
this car.
I need to take it out. I need to take it out the covers. This
You gotta take them off?
I call this shit to his car.
Why you gotta take it off?
Pick
It's
up
not,
his. Oh,
it's not done.
no, the outside the flares
Uh-huh.
is fine. Now we're gonna take it out to line the corners. This one is done. Yeah,
Oh, I
it's
see.
not- yeah.
It's beautiful.
I'm glad you picked these for Vic.
Really?
So this is the new Sarkis merch. All profits go to Sarkis. Where can we buy this at, Sarkis?
No, this is only sample.
Oh, it's only sample?
Yeah.
We got buildings.
This is not for sale. This is only. He made it for me. I don't know why he's doing it.
So you don't want to sell it and make money?
No.
Where's body shop manager? He just walks around, eats.
Bro, I'm the best body shop manager. He even messed it up on the wheels. I helped him to choose the nice wheels.
My son.
You put a
made
different
the
wheels.
wheels.
Hold on.
I made the wheels.
Hold on. Ask, okay, the first project started, I told him, you haven't put this wheels. He told me, no, I know, I'm gonna put different wheels. I told him it's not gonna look nice. Just put this one. He didn't listen to me. And then on the end, he's putting this one.
Yep, you're always right.
Wow, man, this rim looks beautiful.
Good fitment?
Yeah,
Or a little lower?
more.
More low?
Yeah, just like this.
Oh my god. Good job, Luis.
No, I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like it? Why don't you like it?
I like this rim for Sarkis car, the G-Wagon.
Yeah.
That one is good,
I think it's gonna look nice.
right?
Yeah.
Take care of that one. You haven't your G-Wagon with these ones.
Sarkis needs some black ones, black wheels.
No, I wanna put the red.
That would look so dumb.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sadly, didn't finish it for this video because Luis is very slow. No, we had some little design changes. Where's those rear little guys over here? Like this right here. This is the rear door rocker panel. We had to do some changes over here to match the flare that goes on the door because it wasn't enough. So I don't know if you see on camera, but this nice design going on right here. It's extended out a little bit. So when it sits, the flare will go over it and it'll look really nice. So we're gonna primer these guys up too and get it ready for wrap. The rest of the body kit has been wrapped. We're gonna start putting it on tomorrow and hopefully get this car going for you guys for the next YouTube episode on Monday. Have this car featured. Now this is really for show. And I say that because any of these wide body cars, for instance, Range Rover or Cullinan, when you put 26s, you lower it and you go really aggressive, they are not practical or drivable. It's very hard to fit 26s with the stock quarter panel on there, the door on there without chopping it up. The flare is going to be sticking out more. This is going to be touching it. All that is a nightmare. So we're going to try to make it as drivable as possible with these on because they look ridiculous, obviously. But later I am putting 24s on it. So that's going to be for show. It's going to look crazy. The 24s are going to come later. But I'm super, super excited to show you guys what this car is going to look like. We were test fitting some of the last pieces. I think the rear bumper has one piece on there you can kind of see. But other than that, we're almost there. So super excited to finish it. It's been like 3 weeks in the making. This is the first 1016 Industries kit ever for the Range Rover. First wide body kitted, any kitted Range Rover in the US. This is the new right here. And this takes a lot of talent and skills to do something like this. So this is a very talented job.
Who are you to tell me my ID?
I asked for a supervisor.
Bring your supervisor for my no
He
license
didn't have-
plate.
He reversed on the street to try to prove a point. You don't reverse on the street to just give a ticket to someone.
Did the
Drive your
supervisor
scooter.
come?
Yeah.
And then what? Did you get the ticket?
Yes.
And the conversation.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.